Alright, let's talk about two different smartwatches. Yeah, the names are different and these two smartwatches comes from two different brands. One is Xiaomi Watch S1 and another is Amazfit GTR4. But if you check carefully, then you'd understand Amazfit GTR4 is only a tweaked version of Xiaomi Watch S1, which is actually a downgraded edition with quite a few features which actually don't work in real life. These are only 1/3 of my smartwatch collection. I have 68 different smartwatches from different brands and I have reviewed more than 30 of those smartwatches. I love to play with smartwatches. I definitely have a thing for smartwatches. And when I have noticed that a lot of people are praising a wrong product, Amazfit GTR4, and yes, some of those people I have noticed are shamelessly trying to promote this Amazfit GTR4, which costs $200 US, while this Xiaomi Watch S1 at this moment costs only $149 US. Well, Xiaomi Watch S1 has stainless steel frame, while Amazfit GTR4 comes with an aluminum frame. The display panel of Xiaomi Watch S1 is protected by sapphire glass and the display panel of Amazfit GTR4 is protected by tempered glass. They call it tempered glass plus, but that's only a tempered glass. Nothing special and that's no way comparable to a sapphire glass. These are only two differences and only two advantages of Xiaomi Watch S1, but there are many and we are gonna talk about those. Don't forget through this video that Xiaomi Watch S1 costs $50 US less than Amazfit GTR4 and both of these two smartwatches comes with almost the same internals. Well, let's go through this honest comparison video, but before we start this video, I have two requests. Please don't listen to those reviewers, don't follow those reviewers who always say all the products are good. I have noticed some of the people who are praising Amazfit GTR4 now, they have also praised Xiaomi Watch S1. These reviewers are like brand puppet. When they get this product, they say, yeah, this one is good. And after a few days, when they get another product, they say, yeah, this one is good. They're never gonna tell you which one is better and which one offers better value for money. If you really have a lot of money burning a hole in your pocket, then go ahead, spend your money, waste your money. But if you're gonna spend your hard-earned money and if you wanna get the best smartwatch within 150 or 200 US, then you should watch through this video. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you want to watch more honest review or honest comparison videos, then please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, this Amazfit GTR4 comes in a pretty ordinary box. Simple and cheap packaging. There is a Zepp logo on top of the box which looks nice. After opening the box, that's our Amazfit GTR4. There is a protective sticker on the display and it says, "Up your game." I highly doubt this statement. Anyway, let's put the watch aside and check what else we have inside the box. There is a charger included inside the box, which is exactly the same as the last generation GTR3 Pro charger. It's not a wireless charger. There are pogo pins which connects to the watch. Amazfit has also provided a user manual inside the box. Before we check the watch itself, let's unbox the other one, the Xiaomi Watch S1. As I have mentioned earlier, Amazfit GTR4 is just a tweaked version of Xiaomi Watch S1. The packaging of Xiaomi Watch S1 is way better than Amazfit GTR4, premium quality packaging, and Xiaomi Watch S1 comes with a premium watch band. Wow, here is the first difference. Xiaomi has provided a true wireless charging dock and the cable gets connected to the dock using a USB-C port. So we can use any USB-C cable to charge this watch, and the charging dock itself is a superb top-of-the-line charging dock. Well, here is our Amazfit GTR4. I'm surprised to see that on YouTube, some people are praising this watch like there is no other choice. Actually, Amazfit GTR4 comes with a cheap watch band which doesn't fit well and it's truly a bit uncomfortable. The truth is, last generation, 1-year-old Amazfit GTR3 Pro has a better and bigger display panel and comes with a better, much premium leather watch band. As the price of Amazfit GTR3 Pro and Amazfit GTR4 is the same, I had better expectation from this Amazfit GTR4. Anyway, the middle frame of Amazfit GTR4 is aluminum. There is a crown which is made of stainless steel and the glass on top of the display panel is just a tempered glass. There are many other brands like Kisslect and haylou who offers the same or even better build quality as this Amazfit GTR4 at a lower price. Now let's check the Xiaomi Watch S1. Point to be noted, Xiaomi Watch S1 costs $50 less than Amazfit GTR4. Xiaomi Watch S1 has a stainless steel frame. The display panel is protected by sapphire glass. The watch band comes with Xiaomi Watch S1 is a top quality leather watch band. This watch band not only looks better but also offers comfort. Most importantly, Xiaomi Watch S1 comes with the same stainless steel frame and the same quality watch band as its more expensive brother Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro, which clearly shows that Xiaomi Watch S1 is actually a flagship smartwatch which comes with an affordable price tag. We have talked about the differences, now let's talk about the similarities. Both the S1 and the GTR4 comes with the same 1.43-inch AMOLED panel, even if Amazfit claims that GTR4 has a 475 mAh battery, but that's not true. After doing a lot of testing, I have found that both the Xiaomi Watch S1 and Amazfit GTR4 comes with the same 470 mAh battery. Also, almost all the internals of these two smartwatches are the same. But due to different OS and different type of optimization, battery life varies. Furthermore, Xiaomi Watch S1 provides almost 100% accurate heart rate, blood oxygen and sleep monitoring data. On the other hand, Amazfit GTR4 health monitoring data is almost accurate but not as consistent and accurate as Xiaomi Watch S1 or even Keyselect K11. On top of this, Xiaomi Watch S1 offers flagship class stress measurement and advanced sleep monitoring. Talking about the operating system, Xiaomi has their own MIUI Watch OS, while Amazfit has developed Zepp OS. One more time, if you check carefully, it's almost the same thing with a few tweaks here and there, and actually MIUI Watch OS is slightly more optimized. For example, we can have customized widgets on Xiaomi Watch S1. We can add or remove any widgets and tiles, while we can only add or remove the tiles of fixed applications on Amazfit GTR4. Beside Xiaomi's customizable options, this GTR4 seems a bit outdated and cheap. Well, we need to install Mi Fitness to pair Xiaomi Watch S1, and for Amazfit GTR4, we need to install Zepp application. Mi Fitness is way more polished and comes with a lot of different features and options, while Zepp application doesn't offer that many options and features. Another thing I hate about, not dislike. That is, Amazfit GTR4 sometimes fails to push the notification, especially incoming calls and messages. It's more like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But Xiaomi Watch S1 always delivers notifications on time. Bluetooth call connectivity, call quality and voice reproduction is way better on Xiaomi Watch S1. As both of these two smartwatches comes with the same AMOLED panel, both has the same 466 by 466 resolution and 326 ppi. Actually, both performs almost similarly. Both reproduces vivid and vibrant colors, and even under bright sunlight, visibility isn't an issue. But due to better optimization, Xiaomi Watch S1 offers better adaptive brightness, while auto brightness of Amazfit GTR4 is a bit finicky. As these are AMOLED panels, both offers always-on display option, but one more time, Xiaomi offers more options to customize always-on display than Amazfit. Xiaomi Watch S1 comes with almost unlimited watch faces through Mi Fitness. In addition, almost all the watch faces of Xiaomi Watch S1 are customizable, interactive, and comes with different always-on display design. Amazfit GTR4 has a lot of different watch faces too, but compared to what Xiaomi offers, it's less than a half, and most of the watch faces are neither interactive nor customizable. Xiaomi Watch S1 gets fully charged within 89 minutes, while Amazfit GTR4 takes whopping 125 minutes to get fully charged. Xiaomi Watch S1 offers 9 days of battery life, while Amazfit GTR4 offers 7 days of battery life. Finally, there is a thing that is missing on Xiaomi Watch S1, and that's the crown of Amazfit GTR4. But the problem is, navigating or scrolling through using this crown is a bit erratic. Most of the time, either it won't scroll or navigate, or it will go too fast so that you would require to scroll back. Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? I think Xiaomi Watch S1 offers better value for money. And this one is an SEDF product. What is SEDF? Affordable? Yeah, this one is definitely cheaper than the other one. Comfortable? Of course, this one is much more comfortable. D for durable? Yeah, definitely stainless steel is much more durable than aluminum, and sapphire glass is way better than tempered glass. So yeah, this one is durable. And F stands for fashionable. If this smartwatch isn't fashionable, then I don't know what's the definition of fashion. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, if you want to watch more honest review videos, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.